Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Success and you're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in again, and I hope you all are doing okay. So today's video, I'm going to be making a sugar scrub because a lot of you have been asking me, how do I take care of my skin? What's your skincare routine? So I just want to show you guys, because of the love I have for you guys, let me just share with you guys. This is what I do. So I have my sugar, I have my Johnson baby oil, and I have a body wash. You can use any body wash of your choice, and I have my honey. So these are the things I'll be using, and I have my empty container where I'll store my scrub. So guys, I'm starting with the sugar. You can use any desired quantity of sugar depending on the quantity of scrub you want. So I'm using 6 tablespoons of sugar for mine. And then I'm going to set the cup of sugar aside. So after putting the sugar in the container, I'm going to add honey to the sugar. It's not compulsory. You can add honey, you can add lemon, but I'm just using sugar and honey because that's what I want to use. So I'll be using 3 tablespoons of honey because of the kind of consistency I want from my scrub. So you can use any amount of honey for your own scrub depending on how you want your scrub to be like. So now I'm adding the Johnson baby oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Guys, I'm so sorry I didn't take note of the quantity of oil I added. You can use any oil of your choice: coconut oil, peppermint oil, almond oil, any oil that seems okay for you. You can use it, and then you just mix everything properly. So lastly, I'm adding my body wash, and I'm going to mix everything properly until it is properly mixed. And voila, this is my scrub, and I'm still trying to mix it so that I can get everything even from the bottom. And I just love the way it's looking. I love the consistency. It looks yummy. So this is my scrub. So guys, I just wiped off my makeup. I did a transition video, an emoji challenge, and I've uploaded it on my Instagram. I think by now you guys should have seen it. So I just wanted to thoroughly clean my face after that makeup because my face deserved to be cleaned properly. And I was like, okay, let me just show you guys what I do each time I want to clean my face properly. To be honest guys, I don't do a lot on my face. I have a very sensitive skin, so I don't do a lot on my face. I just use my sugar scrub. Sometimes I use a cucumber scrub. I just use it on my face, wash my face, and I apply my face cream, an aloe vera face cream, or the Johnson baby oil, and I'm good to go. That's all I do on my face. For those asking me my skincare routine, this is your answer. I don't do much on my face. All I do is what you are seeing, and best believe my glow comes from within. If you know me, I eat a lot of carrots. I take a lot of water, and we know what carrot does to our body. So for me, my glow comes from within because I don't put much effort on my face, to be sincere. So guys, I'm done, and this is my face. Guys, can you see that glow? Oh my god. No filter. Filter for what now? Anyways, don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Be cool. Bye.